Hello. Today we're focusing on boosting your mobile device's security by properly setting up PM Tunnel Pro. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type PM Tunnel Pro. Always make sure to verify the app's authenticity, double-checking the developer and icon before installation. Once installed, open PM Tunnel Pro. Tap the three horizontal lines, usually in a corner, to open the menu. Check the server status to make sure everything is running correctly. Go back to the main home screen of the app. Select a server from the available list. Choose All Country UDP as your connection method. Tap Start. This will initiate the VPN connection. Wait for the connection to be established and displayed on your screen. Once connected, your data is encrypted and your online activities are more secure. By completing these steps, you've significantly enhanced the security of your mobile device, protecting it against potential threats. Thank you for your time.